45-degree bank angle, but another 5.
There we go.
There you go, triangle on triangle.
United 1466, descend and maintain a 6,000, clear direct Robbinsville.
United 1466, direct Robbinsville, descending 6,000.
Airspeed.
Amber approach, good afternoon, Grumman Cheetah, November 9815, uniform, departed Victor Alpha Yankee.
A little too much on the power there.
Yeah.
That's why your airspeed increased, because you held up altitude very nicely. We'll go right back to maneuvering airspeed and we'll do one to the right.
Maneuvering in the area of November 81, requesting flight following at 2,000 feet.
November 15, uniform, squawk 0423.
0423, 15 uniform.
November 15, uniform, radar contact 2 miles south of South Jersey Airport.
Hit your wake turbulence. A little off on your heading, but overall not too shabby.
Oh, 300 came up so quick, but I had to.
I did, right?
I had to give it juice, you know, to keep it there.
Not bad. Very good. All right, this Ocean County, head right to it. Start getting your frequencies.
Now, their AWAS is on the same frequency, or no?
Negative.
It's which one? This one, right?
Yep.
Observation 2051 Zulu. Wind.
You should start practicing writing down the ATIS.
11. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 14 Celsius. Dew point 06 Celsius. Altimeter 3000.
They're good.
Ocean County Airport. Automated weather observation 2052 Zulu. Wind 330 at 10. Visibility 10.
3-3, we're good for runway 32.
Okay.
Now, do you want me to?
Ocean County traffic, just 20 is 45.
I mean, do a direct in, or do you want me to go around it and
What does the FAA say to do?
go into pattern?
What's up?
Go into pattern, right?
We joined the pattern, yep. Now, monitor the radios. Is there nobody in? Is it the right thing to do?
No, there's traffic
Baby.
over there.
Should I be teaching you that? Not really. Can you do it? Yes. Is it legal? Yes. Look, I'm not gonna bullshit you. Like if I'm out here and there's nobody there, I'm not gonna make you do a 45 degree to the downwind. Especially because I know you can.
Well, we'll be.
Traffic Cherokee 020 is left downwind runway 32 Ocean County.
I wouldn't cut him off. So for that, I would join the pattern.
County traffic, Skymaster final 32 Ocean County.
Now we just got 2 people that are in the pattern, so another reason not to.
Would you go upwind then?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. So I would actually, exactly. So I would go upwind because you have the advantage of actually seeing them from that side, and you can adjust accordingly.
How do I announce it that I'm just joining the upwind from the south?
So from here, you just position report inbound from the southeast, landing Ocean County. That's it. Then you see the hangars, maintenance hangars. Aim for the right, the one on the far right. That should give you plenty of distance because you never know that somebody might overblow their base or decide to just depart the pattern. Let's go ahead and give a radio call.
County traffic Cherokee, turning left base runway 32 Ocean County. Ocean County traffic, Archer 41 Juliet Alpha is 3 miles to the southeast. We'll be joining the upwind for runway 32 Ocean County.
Perfect.
So just to the right of these, the leftmost hangars, right?
No, the rightmost hangers.
Okay, so that far out. Okay.
Yeah.
Almost on the threshold of 2-4.
Correct.
Okay.
That way, if somebody has to do a go around, departing to the right, you have clearance. That's the base traffic, right? You see him? You got him.
There he is.
All right, before landing checklist. While you also keep him inside.
020 is turning final, runway 32, Ocean County.
That's the guy turning final.
Right there, I see
Yep.
him.
So if we were to join final from that far out, we'd be right on his ass, and that really wouldn't work out.
Landing light is on. So some harnesses, mixtures full rich.
Ocean County traffic, Skymaster cleared 32, Ocean County.
RP's off. That sounds like Mark McGraw.
It does sound like it.
What's this one that says pulse lights here? Is that?
So your wingtips basically alternate.
Oh, the wig wags, alright. I'm gonna... It's somebody looking to depart on runway 32.
Yep. So from here, I would actually just cross over midfield because of that departing traffic. I don't want to be in the crosswind. Yeah.
Ocean County traffic, Archer 41 Juliet Alpha is overflying runway 32, 1,400 feet, joining the downwind for 32.
Quincy traffic,
That way, he's got time to depart. We're not in his way. We're well over the midfield. We can see the crosswind. We can see downwind just fine, and then we just turn into the left downwind.
He's already on.
Does that make sense?
Yep. One's leaving.
Yep.
One's about to leave.
Yep. Yep. Beautiful. All right. This is where we just joined the regular pattern.
Flight 4102 Echo Victor is about 7 to the west of Queen City, inbound to land runway 25.
Got nobody in the pattern. Zoom this over so we can see a little bit better. Regular landings, but I will like for you to aim for the second center line.
Okay.
And that's your touchdown point. Second center line.
All right, we're just past the beam of the numbers, parallel to the runway. First flap. Lots of flaps.
Go ahead and tell him you joined the left downwind.
Ocean County traffic, 41 Juliet Alpha is joining the left downwind. Runway 32, Ocean County.
Whiskey, turning base for runway 25, Queen City traffic.
Ocean County traffic, Skymaster departing runway 32, close pattern.
County traffic, Piper Arrow is 3
Skymaster.
southwest, landing 29er, Chester County.
Ocean County traffic, Archer 41 Juliet Alpha is turning left base, runway 32, Ocean County.
Heritage traffic, Archer 419er Golf, joining the localizer 28 at Heritage Field.
Ocean County Skyhawk, Hotel Romeo, southeast of the field at 1,500 inbound for 32.
Queen City traffic, light 4102 Echo Victor, board to the southwest, inbound to land runway 25, Queen City.
Ocean County traffic, Archer 41 Juliet Alpha is on final, runway 32, Ocean County.
Once you get all stabilized, let's go ahead and capture that glide slope.
Chester County traffic, Piper Arrow is turning left downwind 29, Chester County, full stop.
Ocean County traffic, Skymaster turning crosswind 32 Ocean County.
Second after the numbers you're talking about?
Affirmative. Yep, second center line. After the runway 32 numbers.
Ocean County traffic, Skymaster downwind 32 Ocean County.
There's that red light.
So you're going to have to go below the glide slope for that second center line. Just
on the localizer 28 Heritage.
there it is.
Ocean County traffic, Skymaster turning base 32.
Flaps 25, let's go.